features that immediately comes to mind is what I like to refer to as creating WhatsApp for industry. And the problem that actually solves is all of our customers, no matter who, they're on some sort of a WhatsApp group. And it's always difficult to go and find specific information, especially with regards to an occurrence from 3 years ago in a WhatsApp group, which is just generalized for all type of maintenance incidents. So what we did was we took Checkpoint's alert system, which is our unplanned occurrence management system. It's a job card system for unplanned occurrences. And we incorporated a chat feature in there, which is very similar to WhatsApp, where you can just make general mentions or mention something that someone needs to do or record data, plan out how to resolve an issue. Whatever information you want to record, you record it in that specific job card. So if you want to see what did we do, we had a similar issue like 3 years ago, what did we do to sort it out back then it's easy to just go into Checkpoint's alert management system and just go to that job card with all of the history recorded.